In this tutorial, we're gonna learn how to create realistic eye mask in Adobe Photoshop. I believe these are called Masquerade Mask. We'll be using this photo for today's tutorial. You can download this photo and follow along. Check the links in the description to download it. First, we need to create the outline for the mask. Select the pen tool. Let's zoom in and start to create the path. Click once here and then click and drag. When you click and drag, then you can make it a curve. If you hold Alt or Option, then you can adjust the handle to modify the path. But if you just click and release the mouse left button, then it will be a straight line. Here we want to have a curved line, so click and drag. Also, if you hold Ctrl command, then you can move the point. There are various types of eye mask, so create the one that you like. For this photo, I'll go for something simple. The mask needs to be symmetrical. You can draw some guides to do that. Once you are done, go to the Path tab. Double click on the work path and name anything so that it will be saved. Now we need to remove the mask areas from the eyes. I'll draw 2 more paths for the eyes. Like before, save these paths. Now right click and select Make Selection. We can add some feather here or we can add the feather later. With the selection active, create a solid color. I'll select a dark color. Now we need to remove it from the eyes. Hold Ctrl command and click in the path 2. It will load the selection. Now select the foreground color black and select the mask. Hold Alt or Option and press backspace or delete. It will remove the black colors from the eyes because we know in mask black hides and white shows. Press Ctrl command and D to deselect. I should mention this mask will be a painting like mask, not something you can wear. This is a painting on the skin, but right now it doesn't look like that. When you paint something on the skin, you can still see some skin textures through the painting. To do that, double click on the solid color adjustment layer. It will open the layer style dialog box. Now we need to take away some of the black colors from the highlights. So move the right slider from the underlying layer to the left. It's a bit too harsh. Hold Alt or Option and break the slider to make the transition smoother. Now you see it looks much more natural. The edges look a bit too sharp. Double click on the mask and increase the feather from the properties. Since this is a solid color adjustment layer, so we can change the color anytime. Double click on the solid color layer and now you can change the color. For example, I'll select red, but something isn't right. Unlike the black color, this red looks fake. To fix it, we just need to change the blend mode to multiply. Now you can change it to any color. The purple one looks great, or maybe the blue one, but I'll go with the black. If you pick any color other than the black, then you need to change the blend mode to multiply. Multiply is a blend mode which darkens. On the top of that, we can add more highlights. Create a new layer. Hold Alt or Option and click in the line between the 2 layers. It will create a clipping mask. That means the top layer will be limited by the bottom layer. Now select the brush tool. Select the foreground color white. With a lower flow, just add some highlights. For the finishing touch, I want to add some imperfections for a realistic look. The painting in the eye areas are too perfect. I'll add some imperfections there. The outline in the forehead or in the chin can be perfect, but that shouldn't be the case in the eyes. I'll select a smoke brush and simply paint with black here to remove some of the areas of the mask. See, now it looks more natural. Similarly, I will do the other eye. Here is the before and the after. So this is how you can add realistic eye mask in Adobe Photoshop. Hope you liked this tutorial and learned something new from it. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.